it depends on the use case that you're facing, Hemant. I know Snowflake is your warehousing layer, and Power BI is pretty much what you've been utilizing for your BI needs. It depends on the number of users that are accessing Power BI and the existing type of license that you have configured, right? From a holistic licensing standpoint, if you consider the licensing spend on Snowflake plus Power BI versus completely transitioning to Fabric, you would see lower cost in Fabric for sure. But it also depends on the existing number of BI users you have in your Power BI platform today and what type of licensing you have configured behind the scenes. So Fabric is an end-to-end analytics platform. So if you are doing your retail workloads in Snowflake, you can pretty much do the same thing in Fabric and utilize Fabric for your entire analytical needs for both your ETL and your Power BI needs as well. So instead of paying for two different platforms, you end up paying a fixed price contract for your Fabric platform.